Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a picture into a shape on PowerPoint step by step. First, you'll need a shape on your slide. Click the Insert tab at the top, then click the Shapes button. Pick whichever shape you want from the gallery, then click and drag on your slide to draw it. The shape appears right where you drew it. Now click on the shape to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the small handles around the edges and the Shape Format tab appears in the ribbon at the top. Click on that Shape Format tab. This opens up all the styling options for your shape. In the ribbon, look for the Shape Fill button. It's in the Shape Style section. Click on Shape Fill, and a drop-down menu opens showing your fill options like solid colors, gradients, and textures. From that drop-down, click Picture. This opens the Insert Pictures dialog with several source options. Choose where you want to pull your image from. You can select from a file if it's saved on your computer, stock images for built-in photos, or online pictures to search the web. Click whichever source you need, and the file browser or image library opens up. Find the image you want, select it, then click the Insert button at the bottom right. The image fills your shape immediately. Here's an optional step. With the shape still selected, click the Picture Format tab that's now showing in the ribbon. Find the Crop button and click the small arrow next to it. You'll see two options: Fill and Fit. Fill stretches the image to completely fill the shape, which might crop parts of it. Fit maintains the image's original proportions, which might leave some empty space in the shape. Pick whichever look you prefer. If you want to adjust which part of the image shows inside the shape, click the shape and use the Crop tool. You can drag the handles to reposition what's visible. The image stays locked inside the shape no matter how you crop it. You can also add borders, shadows, or other effects using the Shape Effects option in the Shape Format tab. And there we go, picture in a shape done. Thanks for watching. See you.